It's your author, Samara McFadden. I am super excited to be coming back on here to give you all a Bossy Asia update. I know I have not been posting like that. I will be getting back to posting. It's just been a lot going on. Me starting my own school, just all these different things that's happening at one time. So just to give y'all a little update, Bossy Asia has been pushed back just a little bit. Hopefully I can get the ebook dropped in July, and so the ebook will be ready for download in July. But I will have my first book signing event in August. And so right now I'm just planning out my summer, planning out different events. I'll be doing my first pop-up shop with my other book, Amir Asia McFadden class, very soon, to promote that book as well as my new book series. So that is something new that's happening. I am been reaching out to like libraries and setting up story time, and it's just doing all these different things to promote my book series. For those who do not know, I am starting an MMLA, which is Miss McFadden Learning Academy Publishing as well. So that's been my other project along with my school. I am just like super busy, just working on different content and everything. And then the summer's almost here, so I'm in the process of moving too. So it's a lot going on, but I am going to make sure I keep you all updated. I am launching my new MM shop, which is also Miss McFadden Learning Academy store, hopefully next month. I am putting up the last little bit of features and stuff from both the Bossy Asia and the Miss McFadden class collections up there, so people can purchase. We can start purchasing items and everything. But as so many different things I'm taking this new series into, so it's a lot of promotional items that I am creating and getting made just to promote this new series, because this is my baby. It's my baby. And so I want to show you what came in the mail today. To share this with you all. Oh my goodness, this is my first time looking at this, so I am just like, I don't know what it's gonna look like. I haven't seen no sketch or preview of anything, so we're both unboxing this surprise together. Okay, so box is opening. So of course it's my character Bossy Asia. I love her to death. Mwah. Okay, you guys, wrapping paper. OMG, you guys. Oh my God, this doll is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no, this. Oh my goodness, look at her. She is so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. She is so cute. Look at her. Here's Asia. Everybody say, hey, Asia. Hello, Asia. Hey. I am Asia. Oh, I'm so excited. Y'all see my baby? And I didn't even know it was going to be this big. I thought it was going to be actually smaller. But look at her little dress. Oh my goodness. Look at her little eyes. Her little brown eyes. Oh my goodness. This is more. She's so cute. So for those who don't know, a lot of authors create like plushie dolls to go along with their books, and so I created a plushie doll just to go along with the storybook. So when I go to like book readings and stuff, I can bring her. But the goal is to kind of get a plushie doll made, and so if I like the plushie doll, I can get bulks of them made, and I can sell them along with the children books. So this is actually my first plushie doll that's ever been made for any of my books, and she's just so cute. You know I'm gonna sleep with her tonight. Me and her gonna go like take a nap today, and we're gonna sleep together. And she's so cool. I love stuffed animals. Like I collect them year long, but you know, since I'm not in the classroom anymore, I don't have a need for like stuffed animals, and so I like to collect them. So, but she's so cute. Aww. So I did want to share with you. There's more items to come. So when you get ready to purchase this wonderful, wonderful book, you'll be able to get a plushie doll, children book, bookmarks, and navel pens. So there's more to come. And I'm so excited to be sharing this self-published journey with you all. If you have any questions about self-publishing or anything, I can give you everything that I currently know about self-publishing, because as a author, I'm still learning. But I've learned a lot since the 2 years since I published my first book. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you what's coming next. More illustrations are coming, so I can't wait to share with you all. But thank you so much for unboxing my plushie doll with me. Okay, everybody say bye, Asia. Bye.